Oh, Messi. Can you see the design?
Two t-shirt. Three t-shirt.
Tingnan mo yung design kung maganda. Dami ah.
Oh, one extra one.
Dami mong pang siglo na.
Wow, boy London. Can you see the design?
Do you like it? You have an eagle up
Wow.
at the back.
Sakto na sa kanya, no? Pang 9 daw yan eh. 9 years old.
Do you like it? Dami pang forma ni Rolfo. The same?
Hindi ko bakit to may package naman ang binibili.
Dami.
O at least din na siya may rabang maghanap ng laging maliliit t-shirt niya.
Boy!
Wow. What's that? Can I see the design?
Maganda yung tela, malambot.
True Religion. Pagkita ko pa lang doon sa unang t-shirt, sabi ko, ito yung padala ng Tito Ren.
Malaki rin muna natin. Ito malaki pa.
Don't throw the plastic, sayang. Wow! True Religion. Ganda, may Buddha.
Album pa si Tito Ren.
Say thank you, Tito Ren.
Thank
Look.
you. Ha?
Say thank you. I sent those for you.
Cute naman ito.
Parang si Daddy yung back then pagkalbo siya.
Say thank you na.
No. Thank you, fine.
Ano kaya yun?
Okay, last one. Show the last one. Ayun na, may last one. The white one.
Dalawa pa. Ang dami naman.
More.
Spoiled naman.
Ang tagal mo naman mag-unpack.
Money.
Wow, may money! The money is mine!
Ano ang ulam?
Kala ko pounds eh. Peso pa yan.
Rolfo!
Tapos si Daddy back.
Buddha playing guitar.
Looks like this guy's driving. No, I'm driving. All aboard.